Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys the time farm answer to the questions, and then I will show you guys a couple of other things that you could do inside this app to get more allocation for the future airdrop. Okay, so let's go right into it. Click on N, and then once you're here, click on Oracle of Time. As you can see, the question for today is, when was the first recorded Bitcoin transaction where two pizzas were bought for 10,000 BTC? This event actually happened May 22nd, 2010. So let's just go ahead and put the right date. Just make sure you choose the day first, 22nd. Then you click on this part. Then you go over to May. Then you go to 2010. Okay, so click on done. And let's go ahead and check the date if it's correct. Of course, it's correct. So as you can see right now, congratulations, you answered the question correctly. Claim 100,000 of this time coin. So now we've gotten that. So guys, there are a lot of other things you could actually do here. Number one is by clicking on this upgrade here to upgrade your watch and get one of the best watches to actually double, triple. You can see, as you can see right now, I'm actually using the last one, which is going to give me 20x token every 6 hours. Okay, so that's basically what you can do to get more allocation here. You can also refer your friends to get allocation from there. If I click on my friends section, you can see that I can actually just claim some of the token I've accumulated from them playing the game. Go back to my homepage, and guys, that's basically everything. Make sure you come here to play this question game every day so we can get more. Join the Telegram channel where I'm going to be updating you guys on future updates from these projects based on when they're going to launch or if there's any new updates. See you guys in the next video, and peace out.